if you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem in a few simple steps. Follow the steps below to get your audio back in sync. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open the game and navigate to the audio settings menu. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly set to your speakers or headphones and that the volume levels are balanced. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your sound card manufacturer or use Windows Update to check for the latest audio drivers. Download and install any available updates to ensure your audio hardware is functioning properly. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may resolve audio issues. Step 4. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings can sometimes help with performance issues that cause audio desync. Go to the graphics settings and reduce options like texture quality or shadow detail, then restart the game. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making changes, restart both the game and your computer. This can help apply any updates or settings adjustments and may resolve lingering audio desync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the audio desync in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from online forums or support channels.